We'll guide you through how to make a GIF in Photoshop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, add the different text or images to a Photoshop document. So the best way I've found to do this is we're going to go and break up each different piece of the GIF we want into a different layer. So for example, I want to make a GIF where we have my logo appear, then guide, then realm. So what I'm going to do is go and break this up into 3 different layers. So I'm going to come over to the right here and right click and press duplicate layer, and then I'll go and duplicate it again. However, if the stuff you've already got is already in different layers, that's fine, just have them all listed here. But I've got to do this as I haven't already done it. So first of all, let me go and start on this first one. I want to go and just have the logo. So therefore what I'm going to do is go and delete this text here. So I'll select the eraser and click, press OK, and then delete that part. Then we'll work on the second layer. So for that, I just want to have my logo and then guide. So I'll go and delete realm. Once again, I'll select the layer and then I'll press on the eraser tool and delete it. And then that's it. So now, as you can see, if we start from nothing, first we've got the logo and guide, and then the full thing. So once you've gone and got your different layers broken down into how you want your GIF to be, then go up to the top and click on window. And you need to go and select timeline. We need to come down to where it says create video timeline and click on the arrow to the right of it and click on create frame animation and then select create frame animation. Now come over to the right and go and click on this button here. And what you need to do is go and select make frames from layers just here. And now as you can see, each layer has its own frame. Now this is actually in the wrong order, so I'll just go and drag them to go and reposition them like so, as how I want it to be is I want it to start with just the logo, and so it goes up like this. And then what you need to do is choose how long you want each frame for. So at the moment it's set to 0, so I'll click on it and then you can choose the time. We'll go for 0.5 like this, and you can do it for each of them just like so. And then what you can do is go and click on this play button in the bottom left and you can go and see how it's going to go and look. So if that's too slow or too fast, you can then go and adjust it. Once you finish with it and want to save it, go to the top left and click on File. And then you want to go down and click on Save a Copy like this. And what you want to do is your file explorer will open, come down to Save as Type, make sure you select GIF, and then you can go and name it. So what I'm going to do is go and name this GuideRealm. When you click on Save, you'll get this pop up here. So personally for the palette, I just press Exact. When it says Forced, I select None. And then you can go and press OK and it will go and save. And then here it is here, I'll go and double click on it and that's it. We've now gone and made a GIF.